Superlative. In every possible way. Just like you. Ingredients. A scrunch of nutmeg and a handful of freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. It has to be fine, just like you. Pasta water is boiling, salt goes in. We made fresh pasta sheets, but you can use the one in the box. Dry pasta sheets, it doesn't matter. Just put them a couple of minutes in hot boiling water. You will only be watching me do this once in your life. Don't tell anybody. Prosciutto cotto from Italy, but you can use honey roasted ham. It's still gonna taste incredible. Grated fontina cheese. "10 minutes at 430 Fahrenheit.